Well, it is evening time here at my house. All the bird cages have been cleaned. Everyone has fresh food and water. And we'll just go around and say hi to everybody. This is my first baby, my little sunny boy, the male cockatiel, just starting to get his little mohawk up top. Scrappy. Here's Scrappy Coco. She's our female cockatiel. Scrappy. Yes, it's cleaning time and eating time and then bedtime. She is a funny character. We'll come back to you later. There's Mr. Chico. He's our male parakeet next to Daisy, who is our Indian ringneck. Beautiful long tail feathers. Yes, and here's Monty, the bully of them all. Monty! Ah, I caught it on video. You're a big bad bully. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you do nice to the baby. You do nice to the baby. What do you do with the baby? You give kisses? You give kisses to the babies. Give kisses. And then back there is Johnny. Let's see if we can get them. There we go. Here's Jessie and Johnny. Johnny, turn around. There we go. Hi, guys. Hi. Now, Jessie is a violet, and Johnny is one of the last babies from Nana and Poppy's hatchings. And up here is Jazzy, the Dutch blue. Snazzy, come on, peek out, you. Jazzy, Snazzy, Snazzy. Snazzy is also an offspring of Nana and Poppy. You give kisses now? Will you give kisses now? Kisses? Would you like a cookie? Cookie? No, you're not gonna talk? Then in here we have, I don't remember if I did this yet or not, so this is Bandit. He is a black masked, beautiful blue lovebird. Oh, actually, no, that's Poppy up there. That's Poppy. You can tell because all his feathers are plucked from Nana, who plucks him repeatedly because they have so many damn babies. There's Snazzy. There's our beautiful Snazzy. Beautiful specimen of a peach-faced lovebird. Yes. Scrappy, can you say hi now? Nope, still busy grooming. Okay. We're going to go and say hi to finches. There's the little finches. They're taking a bath and eating. Okay. Come down here. And we'll see if Nana will poke her head out of the box. Nana. Nana. Can you come say hi? So we can see what the mommy of the baby look like? Nana. I'll pretend like I'm going in the cage and she'll get all defensive trying to protect her babies. There she is. Come on out. Say hi. Come on. Come on. And we actually just got one of the local pet stores who are wanting to adopt the babies. Well, purchase them from us. And then they will give us store credit for the sales. So that'll help a lot with food and other things that we might need. Okay, Scrappy, you say bye-bye. Scrappy Coco. Say bye-bye. say bye-bye, Monty? Bye-bye. Give kisses. Kisses. Turn around and say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Kisses? How about kisses? Thank you. We got kisses. All right. Well, say goodnight now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.